Good morning, friends. This is Ashwin. Welcome back to my channel SRU series. I am going to explain how to work control valve in the field and on-off control valve. You can see left side figure is control valves like pressure control valves, temperature control valve, flow control valve. How to work the this control valve in the field. Here you can see the control valves, diaphragms, and IA means I2P. I2P converter means pneumatic pressure to air converters. Second, you can see PRV, pressure regulator valve, and IA instrument air. Here main instrument air coming from the battery limit at 7 bars, and it will regulate by PRV to 3 to 4 bars, and after that the PRV instrument are going to I2P converter. Same uh, DCS cable, electrical cables coming from the DCS and going to I2P converter. In DCS operator, either manual or automatically uh, command from the DCS uh, as a 4 to 20 milliamps come to I2P converters, and then I2P converter automatically transfer to 4 to 20 milliampere to zero point 0.2 to 1 bar. This based on command, this air supply from I2P converter, and it will go to control diaphragm. Based on this air zero point 0.2 to 1 bar, control valve will operate either open or close. This is control valve is a air fail valve, air fail to close valve. If air supply not fail some any reason, then control valve close. Now right side figure is a on off control valve, shut off control valve. The, this control valve and on off control valve, there is a two difference. In control valve having a I2P converter, but here in the on off control valve, shut off control valve having a SOV. So I will tell you this a part of the control valve. The diaphragm having a open switch, closed switch, the SOV, solid operator valve, PRV pressure regulator valve, like that. Here basically instrument are coming from the battery limits, then this instrument at 7 bars, it controlling by PRV from 3 to 4 bars, and then going to SOV. Same DCS cable from the electrical cable coming from the DCS as a 4 to 20 milliamps. Operator gives command open or close or any logics coming from the DCS as a DCS cable as a 4 to 20 milliamps going to SOV. SOV is the small control valve is a, either air pass or not, like that. If you open give command, then SOV open and instrument air passing through the SOV to diaphragm. If give to command close command, and then SOV close and instrument air will not pass, then this control valve not open. This control valve is showing a fail close valve. If air not going to diaphragm, then control automatically close. If you want to open the control valve, you give the command open, then SOV open, then instrument air passing through the SOV, and then going to diaphragm, then finally control valve open. Here two switch available for feedback, DCS feedback, either open or not. There is a give a two switch, open switch or close switch. If you open the control valve, then open switch feedback going to DCS, and DCS person no, this control valve will open. Same if uh, close command give and feedback going to DCS and it is showing to DCS the control valve is was closed like that. Thank you very much, my friends. Have a nice day.